Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Xampp installed and a working Python interpreter. Once done, open Xampp control panel and start Apache. Make note of the Apache path. Next, decide how you'll run Python, mod WSGI for persistent apps or CGI for simple scripts, because each approach changes file placement and permissions. Make sure to install mod WSGI that matches your Python version. Then prepare to edit Apache configuration, so Apache can hand Python files to the proper interpreter. Now you configure Apache to actually serve Python. Open Apache as httpd conf or include file and load the mod WSGI module. If using CGI, enable exec CGI and add handler for py files. Then add a WSGI script alias or script alias pointing to your apps directory so requests route correctly. Once added, set a directory block with require all granted and proper file system permissions. After saving, test the config with Apache as syntax check and restart Apache to apply changes. Finish by deploying your Python script or WSGI app into the aliased folder and ensure files are readable and executable where required. Then point your browser to the configured URL. Watch Apache as error. Log and access. Log for immediate feedback. If it fails, make sure mod WSGI was compiled for your Python version, confirm Python's absolute path in configuration, and verify file permissions. Incorrect permissions and mismatched module versions are the most common causes. One key tip: restart Apache after each change and recheck the logs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.